What if I told you there's an Italian island where ancient Roman amphitheatres overlook turquoise lagoons filled with thousands of pink flamingos, where medieval walls hide stunning cathedral treasures, and where you can experience authentic Italian island life without the crowds of Sicily or the prices of the Amalfi Coast? Welcome to Cagliari, Sardinia. And here's the secret most cruise passengers don't realize. While this port flies under the radar compared to other Mediterranean stops, it offers some of Italy's most spectacular scenery, fascinating history, and genuine local culture, all within easy reach of your ship. Today, we're uncovering Cagliari's treasures, showing you why this Sardinian capital deserves a full day of exploration, and how to experience it authentically without the typical tourist traps. Cagliari isn't just another Italian port. It's your gateway to Sardinia, an island so unique it feels like its own country. As Sardinia's capital and largest city, Cagliari sits on one of the Mediterranean's most beautiful gulfs, surrounded by hills and blessed with both ancient history and stunning natural beauty. What makes Cagliari perfect for cruise travelers? First, the port location is incredibly convenient. You're just a short shuttle ride from the city center. Second, this city packs incredible diversity into a compact area, from the medieval Castello District perched on a hilltop to pristine beaches just minutes away. Third, it's authentically Italian, without the overwhelming tourist crowds you'll find elsewhere. In the next 10 or so minutes, I'll guide you through the top 5 must-see attractions, reveal the best local experiences including that famous Flamingo Sanctuary, share practical tips for getting around, and show you how to save money by exploring independently rather than booking expensive ship excursions. Your cruise ship docks at Cagliari's modern cruise terminal, and here's what you need to know about getting into the city. The Port Authority provides a free shuttle bus from your ship to the roundabout at Piazza Matteotti, close to the train station and city centre. This shuttle runs regularly and takes about 10 minutes. Once you're dropped off at Piazza Matteotti, you're perfectly positioned to explore. The historic Castello District is a 15 to 20-minute uphill walk. Yes, it's steep, but the views are worth every step. Alternatively, you can catch local buses from the piazza to various parts of the city for just €1.30 per ride. If you're planning to visit the famous Porceddu Beach, buses marked PQ and PF run every 5 minutes from the city centre during summer months. For those wanting to explore the Flamingo Sanctuary at Molentargius, it's easily accessible by local bus or a short taxi ride. The beauty of Cagliari is that most attractions are within walking distance of each other once you reach the city centre, making it perfect for a relaxed day of exploration. Number 1. Castello District, Medieval Majesty. Let's start with Cagliari's crown jewel, the Castello District, the historic heart of the city perched dramatically on a hilltop. This medieval quarter is surrounded by ancient Pisan walls and towers that have protected the city for over 700 years. The climb up is steep, but there are several routes, and locals have installed free elevators in some areas to help visitors tackle the hills. Once you're up there, you'll understand why this location was chosen. The views over the Gulf of Cagliari are absolutely breathtaking. Within the Castello walls, you'll find narrow cobblestone streets, hidden piazzas, and the impressive Cagliari Cathedral. The district feels like stepping back in time, but it's still a living neighborhood where locals go about their daily lives. Don't miss the Torre dell'Elefante, Elephant Tower, a 14th century defensive tower you can climb for panoramic views. Number 2. Cagliari Cathedral, Baroque beauty. At the heart of the Castello district stands the magnificent Cagliari Cathedral, dedicated to Santa Maria. Originally built in the 13th century, this cathedral showcases a fascinating blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque styles that tells the story of Sardinia's complex history. The facade is stunning, but step inside to discover the real treasures: beautiful frescoes, intricate marble work, and the famous Sanctuary of Martyrs with its underground crypt containing relics of Sardinian saints. The cathedral is free to enter, making it an accessible highlight for any visitor. What I love about this cathedral is how it represents Cagliari's layers of history. You can see influences from the various civilizations that have ruled Sardinia, from the Pisans to the Spanish to the modern Italian period. Number 3, Roman Amphitheatre, ancient entertainment. Here's something that surprises many visitors. Cagliari has one of Italy's most impressive Roman amphitheatres, carved directly into the rocky hillside in the 2nd century AD. This isn't just ruins, it's a remarkably well-preserved venue that could seat 10,000 spectators. What makes this amphitheatre special is its setting and state of preservation. You can walk through the ancient corridors, stand in the arena where gladiators once fought, and climb to the upper tiers for incredible views over the city and sea. The acoustics are still so good that the venue hosts concerts and performances today. Entry costs just a few euros, and it's easily walkable from the Castello District. The site includes a small museum with artifacts found during excavations, giving you insight into Roman life in ancient Sardinia. Number 4, Bastione di Saint Remy, panoramic paradise. For the most spectacular views in Cagliari, head to the Bastione di Saint Remy, an impressive neoclassical monument built at the end of the 19th century. This isn't just a viewpoint, it's an architectural masterpiece with elegant columns, arches, and a grand terrace that offers 360-degree views of the city and Gulf of Cagliari. The Bastione was built on the site of ancient fortifications, and today it serves as Cagliari's most popular gathering spot. Locals come here for evening strolls, and it's the perfect place to watch the sunset over the Mediterranean. The structure is free to explore, and there are often cultural events and exhibitions held in the covered areas. It's also a great spot for photos. You can capture both the historic city below and your cruise ship in the harbour. Number 5, Molentargius Flamingo Sanctuary. Here's Cagliari's most unique attraction, the Molentargius Saline Regional Park, home to over 11,000 pink flamingos and 180 other bird species. This isn't just any nature reserve, it's one of Europe's most important wetland areas, located just minutes from the city centre. What makes this extraordinary is that you can see thousands of flamingos in their natural habitat while still being in an urban environment. The park was created from old salt pans, and the high salinity creates the perfect conditions for the algae and small crustaceans that give flamingos their pink colour. You can explore the park on foot via well-marked trails, or rent bikes at the entrance. There are several observation points and hides where you can watch the birds without disturbing them. The best times for viewing are early morning or late afternoon when the birds are most active. The park is free to enter and easily accessible by bus from the city centre. It's a unique experience you won't find at most cruise ports. Where else can you see thousands of wild flamingos just minutes from your ship? Sardinian cuisine is distinct from mainland Italian food, and Cagliari offers some incredible local specialties you won't find anywhere else. The island's isolation has preserved unique culinary traditions that blend Italian, Spanish, and North African influences. You must try Culurgiones, beautiful hand-pleated pasta that looks like wheat stalks, typically filled with potato, mint, and pecorino cheese. Another local specialty is porceddu, slow-roasted suckling pig that's incredibly tender and flavorful. For seafood lovers, try the local botarga, cured fish roe that's grated over pasta or eaten with bread and olive oil. It's sometimes called Sardinian caviar and has an intense, salty flavor that's absolutely delicious. Don't miss the local cheeses, especially pecorino sardo, made from sheep's milk and aged in caves. Pair it with local honey and pane carousel, thin, crispy flatbread that's been made the same way for centuries. For the best local experience, visit the covered market at Mercato di San Benedetto, Italy's largest covered market. You'll find fresh produce, local specialties, and small eateries serving authentic Sardinian dishes at very reasonable prices. No visit to Cagliari is complete without experiencing Poetto Beach, one of Italy's most beautiful urban beaches. This 8-kilometre stretch of fine white sand is just 15 minutes from the city centre and offers crystal clear turquoise waters that rival any Caribbean destination. What makes Poetto special is its accessibility and facilities. You can reach it easily by bus, And once there, you'll find beach clubs, restaurants, and water sports rentals. The beach rarely feels crowded despite its popularity, and the water is perfect for swimming. The beach is backed by salt flats where you might spot more flamingos, and there are several beach bars and restaurants where you can enjoy fresh seafood with your feet in the sand. It's the perfect place to spend a relaxing afternoon after exploring the city's historical sites. If you prefer something more secluded, ask locals about the smaller beaches along the coast. Many are accessible by local bus and offer a more intimate experience with the same beautiful Sardinian waters. Now, here are some insider tips to make your Cagliari experience smoother and more affordable. First, wear comfortable walking shoes. The Castello District involves steep climbs and cobblestone streets. The free elevators help, but you'll still do plenty of walking. Second, most shops and restaurants close for siesta from 1 to 4 p.m, so plan your day accordingly. This is actually perfect timing for a beach visit during the hottest part of the day. Third, public transportation is excellent and affordable. A day pass costs just €3.30 and covers all city buses, including those to Porceddu Beach and the Flamingo Sanctuary. Fourth, don't feel pressured to book expensive cruise excursions. Cagliari is perfect for independent exploration. Everything is well signposted, locals are friendly and helpful, and public transport is reliable. If you do want a guided experience, local tour operators offer excellent value. A half-day city tour with a local guide will be a lot cheaper than booking direct via your cruise ship tour desk. Finally, bring a camera with a good zoom lens if you're visiting the Flamingo Sanctuary. You'll want to capture these incredible birds without getting too close. Cagliari proves that some of the best travel experiences come from unexpected places. This Sardinian capital offers a perfect blend of history, culture, natural beauty, and authentic Italian island life that you simply won't find at more famous Mediterranean ports. From medieval walls and Roman ruins to pink flamingo sanctuaries and pristine beaches, Cagliari delivers diverse experiences all within easy reach of your cruise ship. The city rewards curious travelers with genuine local culture, reasonable prices, and stunning scenery that rivals anywhere in the Mediterranean. What makes this even better is how accessible everything is. You can explore ancient history in the morning, watch thousands of flamingos at midday, relax on beautiful beaches in the afternoon, and enjoy authentic Sardinian cuisine in the evening, all without the crowds and inflated prices of more touristy destinations. Cagliari is Italy's best-kept secret, and after spending a day here, you'll understand why locals are so passionate about their island home. Thanks for joining us for this exploration of Cagliari, Sardinia. If this video opens your eyes to what this incredible port has to offer, hit that like button and subscribe to Travel Day Trip Ideas for more cruise port guides that help you discover hidden gems while saving money. What surprised you most about Cagliari? The thousands of flamingos so close to the city? The medieval Castello District? Or maybe those pristine beaches? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing what excites travelers about new destinations. Most importantly, check the video description below for direct links to our recommended local tours and experiences in Cagliari. These trusted local operators offer everything from historical walking tours to flamingo watching excursions and authentic food experiences, all at genuine local prices that are typically half what you'd pay for cruise ship alternatives. Safe travels, and I'll see you discovering another amazing Mediterranean treasure soon.